Hey guys, it's Jordan here from Coinbureau Trading. I've got a very important update here on some fundamental news analysis that could shake our market, and it is happening today. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and let's get into it. Make sure that you are taking advantage of our awesome week's deposit bonus campaign using this QR code. So, as we all know, Trump's tariffs have caused crazy volatility and fear within our markets. Something big is happening today, and this could affect crypto in a large way, and I'm going to get into exactly why and how. Today, the US Supreme Court is expected to rule on tariffs. Back in November, both conservative and liberal justices voiced concerns about the legality of Trump's tariffs. If this ruling does go through, it could mean that the US has to repay a very large amount of money that was taken in illegal tariffs. This has been a very closely watched case for the last few months. And on Monday, Trump said, because of tariffs, our country is financially and from a national security standpoint far stronger and more respected than ever before. So he is standing strong on his decisions on the tariffs. However, the data on what he said there is mixed. The GDP grew by 4.3% in the third quarter of 2025, marking the biggest increase in 2 years. Meanwhile, the US job growth has slowed, with sectors heavily exposed to tariffs seeing little to no job growth. So, for those of you who don't know, in February last year, Trump imposed the International Emergency Economic Powers Act on goods imported from individual countries to address what he called a national emergency related to US trade deficits. In November, arguments arose challenging the legality of these decisions. One of those skeptical was Justice Neil Gorsuch, whom Trump appointed during his first term. He said Congress, as a practical matter, can't get this power back once it's handed over to the president. And Chief Justice John Roberts argued that this has always been the core power of Congress. The act granted broad executive authority to wield economic power in the case of a national emergency. The matter reached the Supreme Court after the lower courts ruled against the Trump administration, finding that the use of the law exceeded the administration's authority. Among the courts that ruled against the White House was the Court of International Trade. Legal experts do believe that it is likely that the High Court will uphold the lower court's decisions. Greg Schaefer, a law professor at Georgetown, said that his sense is that given the different justices' concerns, the Supreme Court will decide that the IEEPA does not provide the ability for the Trump administration to adopt the tariffs. If the Trump administration were to lose the case, the US would need to refund some of the tariffs, meaning that those who paid tariffs that were imposed illegally would have to be reimbursed. And we're going to go into estimates on how much that would be and what those effects would be on our broader markets and our crypto market. Secretary of the Treasury Scott Bessent said that the US would have to give a refund on about half of the tariffs. This is a huge amount of money. The Trump administration then did say that if the Supreme Court does not rule in its favor, it will use other statutes to push through the tariffs. So the war is not over and Trump is standing steady, but it does seem like there is going to be a major event. And let's have a look at what these outcomes might be for us in the crypto industry. Alright, so number one, the Supreme Court review could force refunds. If the Supreme Court ultimately agrees that the administration overstepped its authority, it could strike down those tariffs as unlawful and require the government to refund duties already collected from importers. Analysts and officials have said billions or even hundreds of billions of dollars could be at stake. The estimates are around $750 billion to $1 trillion if large parts of the tariff regime are invalidated. Number two, this refund would not happen automatically. Importers or businesses would need to file claims or protests with the US Customs to get money back. Ordinary customers typically wouldn't be entitled to refunds directly because they didn't pay the tariff to the government, but the importers did. Number three, the administration is fighting this. The Trump administration appealed the lower court decisions and asked the Supreme Court to uphold the tariffs. A few officials have publicly stated that they expect to win, or at least hope the court won't mandate widespread refunds because implementing them could be complicated and disruptive. A final decision could come in early 2026, but timing remains uncertain. If a ruling is delayed until after more tariffs are collected, the potential amount at risk grows. So in short, yes, there is a plausible legal path where the US government could be required to refund the tariff money. But whether these refunds actually happen, how much would be refunded, and who ultimately receives the money depends on the court's ruling. Okay, so let's delve deeper into some AI analysis on how this would affect the crypto markets. If the tariffs were struck down and refunds were ordered, the effect on crypto would be indirect, but it still could be meaningful. There would be one, a liquidity shock, which has been known to be bullish for crypto in the short and medium term. If hundreds of billions of dollars are refunded to importers, that's a large sudden liquidity injection into the private sector. Some of that money would reduce debt, go into equities, and flow into alternative assets, including crypto. Historically, crypto has responded positively to these unexpected liquidity increases. There would be some dollar weakness, which could be bullish for Bitcoin. The increase in federal deficits, the raise in treasury borrowing needs, and the potentially weakening confidence does tend to weaken the US dollar and strengthen the hard asset narratives. Bitcoin does benefit disproportionately when the dollar weakens and fiscal credibility is questioned. The AI outlook here is that BTC will likely benefit more than alts. The expectations on the effects on inflation are mixed but crypto positive. There are two competing forces. The refunds will equal more money circulating, which is inflationary. But the tariffs are removed, which means cheaper imports, which is disinflationary. Crypto usually performs well when inflation expectations are volatile and the central bank policy becomes harder to predict. This would all cause a risk-on sentiment, which can help alts, but selective. Markets may interpret this as lower trade friction. Equities could rally and risk appetite may increase. That environment does help altcoins, help DeFi, and help speculative crypto assets. It would not automatically pump crypto. Consumers wouldn't get refunds directly, and there would be no direct regulatory impact on crypto. This is a macro liquidity story, not a crypto-specific policy change. Alright, so in summary, the bottom line, if tariff refunds happen, Bitcoin will likely benefit through liquidity and the dollar narrative. ETH will also likely benefit via the risk-on sentiment plus the liquidity injection. Alts will only benefit if the broader market turns the risk on. And as we've discussed, there will be no effect on crypto regulation. Think of this as a tailwind, not a catalyst. I hope this has been insightful, and please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Very important for everybody to take note of is our new campaign with Weeks. And really, it is very easy. Weeks is making it super easy for us. For the first $50 futures trading bonus, all you have to do is deposit $100 and trade a $10,000 volume.